Hello, in this video I'll show you how to do an oil service reset from the dashboard on Dacia Duster. When we turn the ignition on, it will show us service required. That means we need to replace the oil and then reset the service indicator. This is service required. In my case, I've already replaced the oil, so now I'm going to reset the oil service interval. So first I'm going to turn the ignition on, and then with the arrow down button, I'm going to go to service intervals. Once I find service intervals, I'm going to hold the arrow down button until it shows me oil change in 8,000 kilometers. And then I'm going to release the arrow down button. I'm going to press it again until the oil change interval resets. And now the oil change interval is reset. It says oil change in 15,000 kilometers or 13 months. So that means we're done. Now we can turn off the ignition, turn it back on again to see if service required will show. It doesn't show. That means we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.